Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, 4-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, heated seats, Bose sound system, navigation system, power passenger seat, running boards. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.